It's a destination, a reward at the end of a long day, a refuge where beauty surrounds you and comfort envelops you. Oyster Bay, the new look of laid-back luxury from Lexington Home Brands. Designs blend casual comfort with sophisticated style, featuring lighter wood tones, relaxed shades of ivory, taupe, and gray, and a mixture of natural elements. The oyster finish highlights the graceful lines of cathedral mahogany, complemented by custom hardware in an antique pewter coloration. Traditional elements like deep button tufting and classic break front profiles are merged with transitional elements like geometric metal bases and burnished stainless steel tops, along with natural elements like rush seats and water hyacinth frames to create a look as relevant as it is timeless. Custom upholstery offers remarkable comfort in a range of textural fabrics and leathers that serve as an invitation to entertain and define today's new interpretation of luxe transitional style. Getting away will always have its place, but nothing feels quite as good as coming home. Welcome to the laid-back sophistication of Oyster Bay from Lexington Home Brands, where coming home means you've truly arrived.